Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We wanted to discuss a topic with you today that's come up over the last couple months. We've been doing this about 15 years now, a little bit less. And when we first started out in business, we used to tell people if you're going to install a refrigerator, refrigerator with an ice maker or a dispenser, don't do it. It used to be something that wasn't really expected and something that costs a lot to repair, as it still does. What we found is the market has changed, the economy's changed, expectations have gone up. So in 1950, while air conditioning was cheap and, while it was not available, today air conditioning is expected and it's cheap to obtain. So same thing with refrigerators. Back about 15 years ago, you could get away without putting an ice maker or a water dispenser in your fridge. Now your tenant expects it. And if you won't deliver it, the other landlord will. So we had last year 10,000 new rental units, doors, come on the market in Austin, Texas. Each one of those, I can almost assure you, came with a refrigerator with a ice maker and a dispenser in the door. Many of those were high-rises downtown, which come with washer, dryer, refrigerator all included. So just to bring it up to kind of modern standards, tenants do expect those items at this point. 15 years ago, not so much. Today, nobody owns any of those items and they want them in place. It also reduces the damage hauling them in and out of your rental. So if you're considering changing out a refrigerator, unfortunately, those are going to be needed to meet the market demands. Will cost you a little more, but over time, you're going to get that back in the way of rent, less vacancy, and happier tenants. Let us know at 1836 if we can do anything to support you.